In the European Union, more than 3.2 million tons of waste tyres are produced annually, almost 600,000 tons in Germany alone. The process developed by Amandus Kahl in Rheinbeck for grinding of waste tyres at ambient temperature is a cost-effective alternative to existing grinding processes such as cryogenic or cutting grinding. Furthermore, the market value of the products produced with the Kahl process is higher. The tyres are shredded in a preliminary stage to a chip size of 50 to 100 millimeters. Via an intermediate buffer, the chips are conveyed into the core component of the plant, the rubber grinding unit. Here, the tyre parts are ground in a flat die granulation press, specially enhanced by Kahl. They are ground between the pan grinder rollers and the circular die designed as a perforated plate. Kahl granulation presses process truck tyre chips with an input size of about 50 to 80 millimeters and passenger car tyre chips with an input size of about 100 to 150 millimeters to a granular size of 0.2 to 20 millimeters. The throughput capacity depends on the requested granular size. The respective oversized particles are separated, returned into the buffer bin upstream the granulation press and ground again together with the tyre chips. In a first screening phase, fines smaller than 8 millimeters are separated and conveyed to the granulate cleaning system. After granulation, the ground product is classified according to customer requirement and cleaned in fractions in a multi-stage sorting and sifting system. Metal separation is effected in magnetic drums, classification by means of screens. Zigzag sifters and table separators are used for final sifting, for separation of textiles and minerals. Depending on the requirements of the customer, the cleaned granulate can be packed in bags of different sizes. As alternative, it can also be stored in silos for bulk loading in tank trucks or containers. This modular system of Kahl is designed for a plant capacity of 2.5 tons per hour per granulation press. This corresponds to a throughput of up to 15,000 tons per annum for one line in 3-shift operation. By operating several modules in parallel, the plant capacity can be increased almost at random. The high-quality steels with the high purity are used in blast furnaces for steel production. Rubber granulate and meal are used in different fields of application. With the addition of PU binders, the material can also be pressed to protection mats for playgrounds and sport venue surfaces. In the caoutchouc industry, they are used as filler, for example, or the granulate is added to topsoil in order to improve the compaction and drainage behavior of heavily trampled lawns. Even elastomer compounds can be produced in special extrusion processes by adding plastic granulate, such as recycled thermoplastics, to the rubber granulate instead of PU binders. When added to asphalt, the asphalt properties for road construction are improved, as the rubber asphalt reduces noise emissions by up to 9 decibels. Besides, the temperature stability of the road surface increases, so that the formation of lane grooves in summer and frost cracks in winter is reduced. Due to the physical structure of the rubber granulate after the Kahl hot grinding process, the range of application is far wider than that of granulate obtained by traditional grinding methods.